What happened? It used to... I'm back! Back again. Yeah, she's back. Back again. Hey guys, it's Alyssa. You know who I am because, as you know, you are one of my biggest fans. So, it's me. I took a long, and as some of my fans have said, well-deserved break. First of all, what have I been up to? Making sauntry faces per usual. I moved. I no longer live with my mother and father. Love them dearly, miss them. Don't see them as often as I'd like because of the pandemic. As you all know, it's gotten out of control. But regardless of that, I'm changing the lighting. This is horrible. You think I would know how to I mean, it's just bad. You know why? It's that, hold on. It's that, hold on. Is that? I mean, we can't change my face, not now. So, it's the way it is. So, one, I moved. I am in a new place. And we're starting 2021 with new beginnings, which everyone loves. No one loves a new beginning more than me. I dare you to find someone who loves new beginnings more than me. What did I do during this break? I set up this home. I got comfortable. I did a lot of running, a lot of walking, a lot of exploring the neighborhood. I spent a lot of time with Lola. I basically watched a lot of TV. I didn't read as much, and I kind of just let myself be, which I think we all know is very needed after this year. And along with whatever you guys may do, you might have work, you might not. Whatever you end up doing the most of, you end up getting burnout, whether it's work or not working. You get burnout from doing the same thing over and over again. So for me, the end of the year, my work got really busy, and I had 2 episodes that I was doing that delivered right before our Christmas break, and I just felt like dead inside, especially after moving, and it was a lot. So I just took the time. But this year, I think what better video than a planning video of what you want in 2021. And I think
there's a lot of great videos out there.
But the reason you guys are watching this video is because you're a fan, and we have like a deep, endless love for each other, therefore here you are. So I was gonna show you how I kind of plan out my year and reflect upon what happened. What happened is what happened. You know, and that's what I would really like to know. So let me just show you a little something. So here we are. Something that I started last year. Oh my god, I caught it. Would it be 2021 if I wasn't doing the same things in 2020? And literally, this is how I rigged this camera. And I literally almost broke my camera and caught it midair. Oh my god. I feel, new year, same me, okay? Well, new year, same me. So never forget, you know, where you came from. This is a calendar that I got in 2020, maybe even 2019, I think. And I carried on to 2020. It's Paper Source.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Don't get any ideas, anyone. January through December of 2021 for desk or wall. This is what it looks like. And this is how I planned out each month with work, personally and spiritually. No, but this is a great way for you to plan out month to month, and I will show you how I do it so that maybe you get a little inspo. Maybe get a little inspo, maybe you don't. Maybe you watch something else. So that's up to you. So I start off on the right hand side. I write out my micro goals for the month. You can see I put 1, save, 2, invest, work out, study, schedule my exam, 4 times YouTube videos a week. So in order to get to your larger 2021 goals, you need to break it down by month. That's how you do it. Enact small steps that get you to your bigger picture. And so each one of these is connected to a larger 2021 goal and a larger future goal. I have a 3-year plan on a financial tracker where I know how much I need to put away every month. And that is something I will share in future videos as well. But in order to get to where you need to be, you really have to start small, and this is a great way to do it. It's my favorite part of each month because I can write out what I want, and then I highlight it. Okay, I invested this month. Okay, I worked out 5 times a week, and I put away this much money. So this is a great way, guys, to get your together. And I highly, highly, highly recommend. Secondly, I write a note to myself, a love letter if you will. Dearest Alyssa, I love you. I'm proud of you. You are killing the game. In this love letter, I reflect on the month before. These are the things that you did. This is really awesome. Or maybe you didn't do what you wanted to do because you had to overcome this adversity, and that's okay. Whatever this love letter is, it's only positivity, and it's really looking back on how much you did, how proud you should be, what do you want this month to be about? What do you need to tell yourself that you need to focus on this month? And that's what this letter is. It's very personal. It's a quiet moment with yourself. This is something you build on, and this is something that'll take you far. So don't forget to write a love letter to yourself. That is what I do. Thank you, Big Calendar.
Thank you, Big Calendar.
For allowing me this privilege of writing myself a letter. After writing a little love letter to myself, I go down to each day and I write the things that I need to be held accountable for, which, as you can see, my workouts, Taboo Fit, running, I put a little square, and then when I complete the task, I check it off. So this is another great way of keeping yourself accountable and kind of tracking your progress. This is something I love to do. There's nothing more satisfying than checking off a task that you wanted to do this week, and guess what? You did it. So I do this throughout the whole month. It's wonderful. So last year I was trying to create habits of meditation, working out, yoga, like things that would become a part of my life. And because I hadn't done that before in a consistent way, last year was really about beating that in so that this year that kind of stuff can just be in the background and I can focus on larger goals, which during the week you can see I do schedule out my workouts because I took a long break in November and December, and so in order to get back into it, I know I have to put it on this weekly planner because that's my way of being like, okay,
This has to be done by this day.
and no better way to keep yourself accountable than having it written down on your desk where you work every day for you to stare at and be like,
I need to do this.
and as my soul sister, one of my best friends, and a wonderful human being, Kelly, has said to me, you want to get all of your little habits set and
Ingrained in you.
so that you can dream bigger. So hopefully this little planner thing helps you out in some way. Maybe it inspires you to also get a calendar. I would say that I have some sort of discount code for you, but I don't because, again, it's not sponsored. But Paper Source has sales, guys, so go on there, check it out, see what you can see. Maybe there's a planner that you like better than my wall calendar thingy. I seriously doubt that, by the way. Just an FYI, good luck finding something better than what I already found. You know, what a dream.
What a dream.
And how blessed we are to be in 2021 right now with Paper Source's big wall calendar. I mean, it's pretty transcendental if you ask me, so yeah.
Check it out, guys.
If you want to see more videos about planning,
comment below.
I absolutely love you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you feel the love I have for you guys because I haven't seen you guys in a long time, physically in person. And hopefully we can connect via the virtual YouTube web. And you guys can
give me some love.
If you're new here, like and subscribe. If you're not new and you haven't liked and subscribed,
I know who you are.
I get the notifications and everything, so I'm looking at you. See y'all next time.
Couch. What are you doing? You sleeping? Are you dreaming of little tiny babies? Because you love babies so much.